Okay, Wales, England, we have Joe Hart in goals. It's the big free kick. We've got our English defence here, local lads, alright. We have Gareth Bale. Here we are, the free kick. The all-important free kick. Oh! We've done about 5 already. These kids are getting bored. Désolé, c'est bon. Right. Here we go. Here we go. Let's leave it. One more, and then fini. Wait. Okay, it's fine.
Only one option for him. It's almost like a rugby union kick, the way he's gone back, step to the right, chest puffed out, and strike brilliantly! Gareth Bale with a moment of absolute magic! Not many players in the world can do that.
Right, penalties.